guess what, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Facebook Creator Studio to plan your Instagram content. So if you like that, if you want to see more, just keep on watching. Welcome to another episode of my series, Teching You Out. My name is Khloé George. I am a creative entrepreneur, friends lover, interior designer, lover of all things tech and digital, but most importantly, your new biz BFF. In this series, I will walk you through the ins and outs of the tech software you will need to automate, organize, and elevate your biz so you can get back to doing the things you love most, which is creating. So make sure to check it out. So, this is your Facebook business page creator studio. If you have a Facebook business page, you automatically get this as part of that package. And what this allows you to do is that for your business page, which I don't ever really use, you get notifications, you get your content library. Hello, finally showed up on the screen. It always takes a minute to kind of move over to the next screen. You get your stories, anything that you've posted, and more specifically, your insights if you want to see how your page is performing or whatever the case may be. You also get your inbox from here. So this is for your business page. I don't use my Facebook business page. I literally only have it up and running so that I can, one, connect it to my messenger so that if I get messages for my website and to create my Instagram page. Because as you know, in order to create an Instagram business page, you need a Facebook business page first. So this is essentially what the creator is. You have, again, all of these choices. You have monetization options that I think they've added recently. So I haven't used, again, any of this. So we're just going to X out of that. But what I do use, if you notice up here, does have a Facebook and an Instagram. So we're going to head on over to the Instagram. So this is essentially the Instagram Creator Studio, if you will. And what it does is shows you all of the things that you have published already. So you can, even things that you've archived, right? Or your stories that have gone into archive section. So all of these are stories that have gone to archive. There's also my Instagram feed. What this video is about is essentially how to use your Creator Studio to schedule your Instagram post. So what you're going to do is obviously hit the create post section on the left hand side. You can schedule two things. Obviously, you can schedule your Instagram TV, your IGTV, or your Instagram feed. At the moment, they don't have an Instagram stories option, but hopefully they'll bring that in. Hopefully, let's see. But in any case, this is where you would go to create your post. Now, I will say that it works very well. However, the only thing I don't like about it, the only caveat to this is that it doesn't give me a reminder, or not a reminder per se, because I can always do that in my own calendar, but it doesn't tell me that the post has posted, essentially. I just have to remember what time I scheduled it for and then go and see it. In order to get your content up here, you're going to hit add content. So you're going to go file upload, and then you're going to go wherever your content is at. So this is going to be my next post. I am going to do a carousel post. And yes, absolutely, definitively, that's not a word, but it does automatically post your carousels, which is what I use it for. Because if you know, places like Planoly and maybe later, or the other plan schedulers, they don't automatically post your carousels. You would have to post them yourself. But the Creator Studio does in fact post your carousels. So this is my next post. So this is what it looks like. This is all my pages. You can instantly move them by changing the position. So if you've uploaded and this one is in the 1 position, but you want it in 2, you just literally change it to 2 and it'll change over. It'll change this to whatever you want, etc. And it'll change over as you save it. You will write your caption on here. I don't have a caption as of yet. So now we get ready to add our caption. So I keep my captions in my Google Keep. So I go ahead and copy my captions. Once I have my captions in, I can add all my hashtags. I usually keep mine here in my Keep as well. and then I'll just go ahead and paste them here. And so once I have my caption, I have my hashtags, and I'm content with this, I am going to schedule it. So right at the bottom, instead of hitting publish, if you want to publish it at the time that you're doing it, fine, go ahead. But if you want to go ahead and schedule, you're going to click this down arrow. You're going to hit schedule. You're going to pick your date, your time. You can save this as draft. So if you're not sure about the caption, you're not sure about how this looks, you can save it as a draft, or you can go ahead and hit schedule. Once you have selected when you want to publish, you literally just hit schedule and it will show up in your content. Now what you're going to do is you're going to change this. Once you've scheduled, it will show up and it'll say scheduled. You can always again go ahead and delete this, publish now, view the post, edit, and things like that. And that's pretty much it. You will do the same thing with if you were creating an IG post. You will go ahead and upload the file and you will go ahead and schedule that. Again, right now there is no way to schedule your stories, but once that finds out, I will definitely keep you updated and let you know. But for now, that is how you use the Facebook Creator Studio to upload and schedule your Instagram post.
I hope that you enjoyed that. It was super quick, super functional for you if you don't want to use programs or don't want to pay for programs like Canva or Planoly or Planner or Later, any one of those. You can just use, if you have an Instagram business page and a Facebook business page, you can just use the content, the Creator Studio. I keep trying to call it something else, but you know what I mean. The Creator Studio that's available. And as always, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please let me know again in the comments what you'd like me to touch on next. And I'll see you next Tuesday for another Taking You Out video.